Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set iPhone alarm to vibrate only on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the clock app, then tap on alarms. Now in this section, just tap on the plus icon. Now to set your alarm to vibrate only, just tap on sound. Now in the sound section, just swipe to the end of the page and select none. After that, just swipe up. Now in the haptics section, just select a vibration mode which you like. Now if you tap on custom vibration, you can create a custom vibration for your alarm. Now as you can see, we have successfully created a custom alarm. Now just tap on save to set it as your custom alarm vibration. Now just give a name to this vibration, then tap on save. Now once you select your favorite vibration setting, just go back, then tap on done. And this is how you can set iPhone alarm to vibrate only on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.